If you are planning to get a tab for your kids between the ages of 3 and 10, I would recommend the B2050 Pro Plus Bebe tab. So this is the B2050 Pro Plus Bebe tab, and the Bebe tab runs on Android 12, which is 10.1 inch IPS, and it runs on MTK 8321. This is a new MTK. The battery capacity is about 6000 milliampere with a front camera of 5 megapixel and back camera of 5 megapixel. And this particular B2050 Pro Plus tab runs on 6 gig RAM and 256 ROM. So in this video, I am going to unbox the Bebe tab B2050 Pro Plus in this video. So if you are planning to get a tab for your kids between the ages of 3 and 10, then you can consider the Bebe tab. So without wasting much of your time, let's go ahead now and unbox this particular tab. Let's see what we have inside. So the first thing we see on the Bebe tab B2050 Pro is the client information, which is warrant service card, and it has a screen guard, that is a follow-com screen guard. This, and here we have the tab itself. So this is the Bebe tab. It comes pre-installed with the B2050 Pro Plus Bebe screen design. So the Bebe tab, and you see, before you use this particular tab, it is advisable that you should charge this particular tab for at least 6 hours. And it comes with an extra pen. You see, this is a pen. I want to see whether this is going to be a stylus pen or not. And of course, if it is a stylus pen, it's going to make sense. And you see, it is written the Bebe tab pen. So let me put this back. So we have the Bebe tab pen alongside the Bebe tab. So it is just here. And then at the back of the Bebe tab, you see it comes pre-installed with the pouch. So you can adjust this pouch to make your Bebe tab stand like this. And you can put the pouch back. And you have some amazing designs at the back of the Bebe tab. And here's the Bebe tab camera. It has 3 cameras. So aside the Bebe tab, what we have as a gift, and there is a smartwatch as a gift in the Bebe tab. So we have a smartwatch as a gift in the Bebe tab. Let me see. I think my kid is gonna love this particular Bebe tab. So wow. So this is an extra gift in the Bebe tab. There is a watch. And then this is a USB cable. The USB cable, so it's type C. And then this is the adapter. It has an adapter. We also have the rope in which you can easily use to carry the Bebe tab. And here it has an extra hand-free. So this is an hand-free. And it has an extra cord, so hand-free extra cord. And there is a bag. So this is also, there's also a gift bag in the Bebe tab. So this is also a gift bag. So also we have this in the Bebe tab, that is 8 Harzu. We have this in the Bebe tab. So this is all some names of animals. So some animals here, we have that in the Bebe tab, and we have the user manual. So this is the user manual of the Bebe tab. So mark you, before you use the Bebe tab, you want to charge the Bebe tab for 6 hours. So let's see if you can actually remove the Bebe tab from the pouch. So this is the Bebe tab itself. So it's a 10.1 inch device. The Bebe tab is a 10.1 inch device, and see the model is B2050 Pro Plus power DC5, and the volt is about 2.0. This particular tab is made in China. So let's power on the Bebe tab and see how long it takes to power on. So this is the power button. The Bebe tab has just two buttons, the power button and the volume control. And of course, the Bebe tab is a gig RAM tab with 256 internal storage. So let's click on the power button to power on the Bebe tab. But before then, let us remove this. There you go. So I will not remove the entire cover because I am still going to place it back until this tab is charged. So let's see what the Bebe tab has got. It's an Android Go edition. You are welcome to the world of Bebe tab. So Bebe tab B2050 Pro Plus. The 100 tab is starting. So this is starting of the Bebe tab apps, and here we go. Wow. So let's come to the tab settings first. Let's come to the settings and see what we have. Come to the settings, and then the next thing I want to do is to scroll down and go to about tablet. So when you come to about tablet, you say it is running on 112 and it's a Bebe tab Pro Plus. It's on 112, and the security patch was made October 5, 2020. So let's see the memory, and the memory is 5.6 free. It's a 22 of 6 gig RAM, and you can just check out the battery. The battery is 90% charged. Then let's check out the storage speed. So it's turned off. So in short, this is the Bebe tab. So in our next video, we are going to review the Bebe tab, how fast the Bebe tab is, and reasons why you should buy the Bebe 2050 Pro Plus tab for your kids. So guys, if this video is helpful on the Bebe tab B2050 Pro Plus review, you want to hit the like button, of course. You want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.